Avery Salke is one of more than 2 million Americans who have lost homes to foreclosure since 2007. She says it all started when a mortgage broker convinced her to refinance her home loan at 13%.
They give you a loan. They give you a loan you cannot afford in the first place, and then they're not willing to work with you.
The foreclosure crisis has hit the African American community especially hard. So the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, or NAACP, and Wells Fargo Bank have opened a financial literacy center in Washington to help homeowners. It's also designed to improve relations between lenders and minorities. Benjamin Todd Jellis is president of the NAACP.
We're not just going to be partnering to educate people outside the bank, but to also educate people inside the bank. And that's important, because in this country we keep on repeating the sin of massive racial discrimination, and it needs to stop across the industry.
The NAACP initially accused Wells Fargo of unfair lending practices, but dropped a planned lawsuit after the bank agreed to develop programs to help African Americans get high-quality loans. John Campbell is Vice President of Social Responsibility for Wells Fargo Bank.
Just putting people in homes and having them, unfortunately, leave those homes because the loans didn't work is not right. And so sustainable home ownership is really the key that we're hoping to be able to solve by working together.
Consumer advocates say some lenders encourage loan officers to sell mortgages with higher interest rates to blacks. As a result, a major portion of those home loans ended in foreclosure. Georgette Dixon with Wells Fargo says the Financial Literacy Center will help African Americans who want to purchase homes.
Our goal is to open this Financial Freedom Center with the NAACP to leverage our resources around community development and community relations to bring access to resources, credit education, financial education, home buyer counseling services, all of those things that we and the NAACP believe are critical to turning this thing around for the African American community.
Another group, the Lawyers Committee for Civil Rights, has started a national campaign to warn people about scams targeting minority homeowners. Yolanda McGill is a spokeswoman for the committee.
They are claiming that they can save the home from foreclosure. They're claiming they can help a distressed borrower get a modification from their banks, but really what they're doing is they're trying to gain the trust of a distressed borrower and then take their money and run.
McGill says the committee's loan modification scam prevention network has received more than 12,000 complaints since 2010. It turns the complaints over to law enforcement agencies to go after so-called fraudulent rescue companies. Meanwhile, mortgage brokers like Annette Alonzo are meeting to talk about ways to do more to stop foreclosures.
We've gotten back to the basics of underwriting, making sure that people that are buying these houses have the wherewithal to buy them, they have the ability to pay for the mortgages.
Analysts say efforts to help black homeowners and make mortgage lending more fair could ease a foreclosure crisis, which is expected to continue through next year. Chris Simkins, VOA News, Washington.